Hi, this is Alyssa with AnApleAday.com, and I'm here today to review a bow and arrow. It actually comes with 2 arrows. This is made by Leader Accessories, and it is 19 to 29 pounds. You can get it on Amazon. It's originally $99.99, but it's on sale for $49.99. And there is a few things that you have to do to put it together yourself. We did find that there was plastic screws when we wished that they were aluminum. This is for hunting, archery, and my son goes to a camp where he learns archery, so we're going to have him shoot at that camp. We can go there anytime. We also have some hay bales that we're going to shoot. My husband's going to show you how to draw back. There is a wrist guard included. It's a very windy day, so sorry about the wind. But that's how you draw it back, and it does go back pretty smooth. Do you think Micah's going to have any problems with that?
Well, I think he'll be fine. It's adjustable.
It is adjustable. Okay. So I think it's great for any sporting enthusiast. It's a fun thing to play with, as well as if you want to go hunting. Thank you very much. Bye.